I'm the Executive Director of Clay Brick Association. My name is Ad Coetzee, and this association of clay brick manufacturers has been established in 1963. Since that time, we were involved in the clay brick industry by networking, by working on standards and do research for our members. Today at this show, we reveal one of our latest research material, and I would like people to contact us at www.claybrick, and a lot of the information that we're going to hand out today and the next couple of and tomorrow will be also available on our network site. We have also realized with the research that we have done is that clay brick are one of the best performers in walling, and it gives you the inhabitants that thermal comfort that they need. That is mainly because of the high mass that it has, and it takes the heat, absorbs the heat, and then release that heat into the house. So it makes the house nice and warm in the winter time, and in the summertime at night the heat moves out and it is nice and warm in summertime also in a house. We present about 107 clay brick members all over the country, from our factories down in Durban right up into Mafeking, and from Cape Town up to Messina as our members, and so we are in total all over the country. The products that we supplied is close to 100 different types of color makes, and as well as in sizes. Some of them are hollow, some of them do have a lot of openings inside, and some of them are solid. As an association, one of our functions is to do generic marketing for our members at shows like this, and also to produce material which we then distribute all over the country. Thank you.